Welcome to part 11 of our .NET movie series. In this session, you will learn how to add interactive maps and drop pins based on location using the movie.maps package. Maps are used in a wide range of apps, from travel and delivery tracking to real estate and fitness. Let us bring it into your movie app. Start by adding the Microsoft.movie.maps NuGet package. Then enable map support in your movie program.cs file. The map control shows an interactive map. You can customize map type, enable zoom, and show the user's location. Use the Movie Essentials geolocation API to get the device's current latitude and longitude for centering the map. Once you have the location, move the map's viewport to center on the user with a small radius. This code adds a pin on the map at the user's location with a label and place marker. You can display multiple pins dynamically by looping through a list of coordinates like shops, offices, or delivery points. Ensure you set up location permissions on Android and iOS and add platform specific SDK keys if needed for Google or Apple Maps. You can capture tap events on pins and display detailed info or navigate to another page. Let us run the project. The app shows your location, drops pins for nearby locations, and responds to user interaction. Maps can elevate your app by offering location-based interaction. With the movie.maps, it is easy to create beautiful data-driven experiences. Next, we will build custom controls and components that you can reuse across pages, from custom cards to styled buttons. Thanks for learning. Don't forget to subscribe and like.